Hello friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the one of the best stock where we can invest, but you have to wait for some of the price. It will come down, and you can invest, which is fundamentally and technically very strong stock. So I am preferring for myself with that. I'm preparing the video so you also can invest in this because I will do a lot of analysis on this where we can invest and which is the good, because these are stocks long term, it is a good return it will give because they have very high growth. So that's what I'm preferring you. This is you can see here, Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited. And anywhere you are investing, or whatever you are before investing, you should require your own analysis. Without your analysis, don't invest. You do your own analysis fundamentally and technically, then only you have to invest. So let us start. Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited. About, we can see Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation is a holding company. The company operates through two segments: mining and power. The company projects include lignite, bauxite, uh, phosphor, multi-metal, manganese, power, wind and solar. So it is in the metals, and it is in the mining and power. So company engaged in the mining and power. So let us see the market cap 2229 crore, current price 70 rupees, and book value 127, which is very good. And high it is a 41 point, low it is a 41.5, and high it is a 83.4. Today it is trading for 73 rupees. I will show you technically. Dividend 2.86, which is good, fine. Face value 2 rupees. We can see ROE, return on equity 8.71. Stock is trading rupees 8.5, very cheap, we can invest. ROC 1.33, which is more than 1, it should not be more than 1. But the whatever we are seeing, all the details, it is looking fundamentally very strong, so we can invest. So let us start with the chart. You can see here price today, it is yesterday's price. We can see yesterday it is trading at 69 rupees 95 paisa, and today it is trading at 73 rupees. So P ratio, it is very less, and this is very good to invest. 8.20, 8.3. Sales margin, we can see sales day by day it is growing one level. 498.33. GPM, gross profit margin 99.39%. OPM 6.17%. NPM 7.57%. So pros, we can see here, company is almost debt free. Stock is trading at 0.55 times its book value. Company is expected to give good quarter. So there is no debt, and it is trading at 0.55 times of its book value, which is very good. Company is expected to give good quarter. So cons, we can see the company has delivered poor sales growth of 2.64 over past 5 years. Company has a low return on equity 7.01% last 3 years. Contingent liabilities of rupees 826.60 crores. Dividend payout has been low, 14.40% of the profit last 3 years. So peer comparison, we can compare with Vedanta, Coal India, NMDC. So quarterly result, we can see amount in crores. September 2018, June to 2021. So sales 498, it is compared to the before quarter, it is reduced. Let us see the net profit. Last time March 2021, it is a minus 181 crores, and now it is presently June 2021, 38 crores in positive. Earning price per share 1.19 in positive. So looking good. Profit and loss account, we can see net profit for March 2021 and TTM. Net profit minus 36, it is in negative. TTM also minus 136. Earning per price per share minus 422, minus 1.13. Dividend payout minus 18%, which won't look good. Component sales growth TTM 27%. Component profit growth TTM 22%. Last 5 years 11%. Stock price CAGR 65% in 1 year. So it is coming, it is a growth stock. Return on equity last year 9%, last 10 years 7%. Balance sheet, they have total asset and liabilities 4963 crores. Cash flow, net cash flow, they have 170 crores. Ratios, we can see working capital days to 86 for March 2021. ROC, return on capital employed 1%, so it is reduced. Shareholding pattern, we can see promoters in June 2021 74, and 74 FIIs 1.31, DIIs 2.50, government 0.04, and public 22.15. So let us see the technically Gujarat Minerals, we can see here, today it is trading rupees 73.65, which is increased by 3.70, that is 5.29%. So if you see RSI 53.05, MACD, we can see till tomorrow it will go down, might be it will come down 70 or below 70, so we can invest in this to get good profit. We can see here, okay, profit in 2017 16.75, 2018 11.70%, profit margin in 2019 13.42, and 2020 it is a negative, but it will give good return. We can see a technical performance last 1 year it is performed 75-15%, at to date 40.2%, 24 at to date 40.02%, 6 month 24.94%, so 3 months, last 3 months 75 7.44%, 1 month 5.52%, and 1 week 5.44. As we compare to last months and all, it is this week 5.44%, which is good. So more technicals we can see here. Strong buy, we can see here within 1 day it is a strong buy recommending technically. So we can invest in this because it looks fundamentally good. Somewhere it is a negative, but as we are seeing technically and fundamentally, the stocks looking good and it has a good growth, so we can invest. As per my analysis, is it good to invest? You do your own analysis and then you can invest in this. If you guys have any doubt or any queries or any suggestions or any other stock details, if you want, you can keep your message in comment box, so I will try to work on it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye.